What qualifies as a Atmanirbhar company? Let's talk about a company. A company doing sales in India, doing operations in India, making products, assembling in India. What when do we say that this is a Indian company, or this is, what in your mind would be a definition for that? And also, thinking of the charging as well. Today, obviously, this market either has the Chinese players on one side, or it has the European technology and American technology on the other side. So, what do we call as an Indian company and Indian technology?
Okay, Shekhar, I think it's a quite subjective topic to be speak on because individual have individual thoughts and mindset to come out a percentage of a number. Then it's a we become an Atmanirbhar or we become Atmanirbhar Bharat. For me, government is giving a lot of subsidy on the various uh, channels through FAME2 and the state government subsidy of the various state government also. When they say if your EB or your it's a 51%, I think, if I'm not mistaken, is indigenous, more than 50%. If you're manufacturing an AB, which is more than 50% or 51%, it is we consider it is a indigenous product, and where you are entitled to get a subsidy on the certain product lines as per the government policy and so forth. That is one part. Other part, if I say in my personal understanding and capacity, what is we become Atma, at least two-thirds of the things has to be developed, designed, manufactured indigenously. I see then we can say we become Atmanirbhar, or we become a self-dependent, because we are still dependent on outside world, like you said, or maybe European technology or American technology, or maybe product lines which are coming at a cheaper cost or lower cost from the China, even on a component level also. If let's look at the semiconductor, I don't know if we have a semiconductor manufacturing facility in India. So it's still we are dependent on the outside world to get those components to manufacture the chargers and the charging stations and providing a charging solutions. I see a bigger market which is coming all the way. We are also look at each one market. You look at the consumer electronics. There's another market. Electronics is already there into the India, right? Everybody is using fridge, cooler, TV, phone, AC, so many of electronics in every house, right? And we are such a huge country of 1.4 billion people. That means don't we use electronics? Yeah, we do use electronics. But I only see sometimes, I personally feel why in a like I joined the industry like 3.5 years back, but prior to that also there was electronics, and the people are using electronics as a consumer electronics table also. Why it has, I don't know what is the lack. I don't have an answer at this point of time, but I personally see there is a strong need of a manufacturing of a semiconductor in India. What does it cost? How government will take it in? These are all questions to be answered for me also. I don't know the answers, but still I see we the moment we reduce our dependency on the outside world, then up to a two-third level, we are like maybe out of 10 we are going for three things outside the world or dependent, then I can say we will be an Atmanirbhar, and we will become Atmanirbhar Bharat. And I think we are transiting towards that also. It's my personal understanding that we are transiting towards becoming Atmanirbhar Bharat. There is a government initiative, push and pull. People's, vision will also there. There are new people are also joining the industry and understanding the challenges and the problems in the industry, what it takes to become an Atmanirbhar Bharat, or what it takes to become a self-dependent company or self-dependent, to be the government initiative also of Atmanirbhar Bharat. So the few things still to be answered for me, but I think we are progressing ahead. It will take time for sure. It's not something which is going to happen. I'm speaking now and tomorrow we will become Atmanirbhar. It won't happen for sure. It will take time. I think I wish more people understand the need of this market and join these revolutions. There are a lot of industry stakeholders are there. People like me are also there. Thousands of people are there into the market. Those who are wishing to become an Atmanirbhar Bharat and helping the people and companies to become a self-dependent or not dependent much on the outside world, for that maybe on a component level or maybe on a product level and so on and so forth. So I think the baseline is same. We are heading towards becoming an Atmanirbhar Bharat.